Alright everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it as always. So today I worked on putting all these ceiling tiles back, except for those three, which we got done at the end of the day as well. But everything got turned on today. Finished the wiring, I believe, yesterday. But I don't even know where I'm going with this video. I'm so out of it. But got all the lights turned on because we finished those. And the boss guy hooked up all the switches. Everything worked. Didn't hear any complaints of any wiring problems or information going wrong. So everything turned on. So super excited about that. No problems there. And then when we turned on that circuit, it also sent power over to the kitchen, and we got that working as well. The other room next door was working, and I think it got tripped from a different circuit possibly. But all the lights work in the kitchen that we did a couple days ago. It's wired really weird, like 2 lights on one switch and like 7 lights on the other switch. So that was already kind of pre-existing, so we didn't mess with that. And then lastly, at the end of the day, worked on in this room, pulled some wire out of the panel up to the ceiling, and I wish I had some of the ceiling tiles down so you can see we did a little bit of pipe work and roto-hammered that to the block ceiling, the block wall above the ceiling here real quick, mounted a box, and just retied in a 3-phase 20 amp twist lock plug back together. Alright everyone, I am in a great mood because we got off work a little bit early, so I don't know if I'm getting paid for that or not, so if I do, that's a bonus. But stopped at the gas station, got some Twix, got some crunchy Hostess donuts, best food ever. So that pumped me up. And then I stopped at my coworker's house, who I was carpooling with, the apprentice. He had a problem in his house that he was mentioning the other day. And I kind of want to make a video separate on this just to explain it because I can't go over it right now. But all in all, I figured it out, got it all figured out and fixed. So I was glad I could help him out because he was driving me to work for 2 days this week, and also took me to Costco to get some food for lunch as well. So I felt kind of bad. So he didn't want any gas money or anything like that. So I definitely wanted to help him out, and I'm glad I could do that for him. So anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I will not be back at the job site, that job site out of town, 65 miles each way from not my house. So won't be back there at that job site, so I'm excited about that. I'm going to be doing some other projects on Monday and Tuesday. Don't know about Wednesday, Thursday, Friday yet. So we will see on that. But other than that, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Had a great day. It went by really fast. Got everything done. Everything went pretty smoothly for the most part. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed it. Like I said, if you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I'd love to see you guys back in the next video. It'll help the channel grow, and I'd appreciate the support. Check the description down below for anything else, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.